Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to learn two important words, and we're going to have some fun with a lighter and a tea candle. We're going to make some magic. Stay Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. I promised you another great experiment and two important words that we're going to learn today. The first word we're going to learn is heat source. Now you might think of a heat source as something that keeps you warm in the wintertime, but a heat source can be a variety of things, from a flame, a candle that's already burning, or just the warmth that comes off your radiators, or from your stove from cooking. All right, so I'm going to take my heat source here, which is just a Bic lighter. And please, if you are under the age of 18 or a youngster, please do be careful with this, because this is fire and things can happen if it's not used under adult supervision and you're not an adult. So please do make sure that you get your parents' permission before attempting to do anything with flame. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and light my flame. Light this tea candle right here. And we can see that lit from my heat source, right? We'll give that a couple seconds to burn. I'm now going to blow out the tea candle. I'm going to take my flame Wow, how did that happen? I didn't even touch the candle. Let's do that again. There's no magic up my sleeve here. I'll tell you what really happened in a moment. So I'm going to take my lighter again. So the reason that didn't work is there was not enough vapor in the air. We'll talk about that in a second. So vapor is actually the smoke, or let's say the fog that comes from the candle wax. And when that vapor is in the air and I apply a heat source to it, it causes the candle to reignite. Let's blow this out again, all right? See the smoke? I didn't even touch the candle and the candle relit. Now, depending on the size of the candle you have, it will matter. I'm going to blow this out just for safety. But why did we do this experiment? All right. In life, because you know there's always a lesson, we sometimes get started on something, but then we stop. And we don't realize that we already have the momentum to keep going when just one little trigger happens. Now, that could be something as simple as getting into a positive state. It could be hearing something from someone, but that causes all that stored energy, okay, to just release. Very similar to like a spring, you might wind up, and then when you let go of that spring and you put the little toy down, it goes all around the table, right? So that is stored energy. The stored energy has to release. A lot of times in your life, you never let that ball go down the stairs, or that spring unfurl, or that toy, hop all around the table, because your mind is focused on, I don't have the energy. But you have it, it's just you've already sabotaged yourself. I hope that you've enjoyed this real great experiment on the jumping flame. I encourage you to jump around in your life, because when you do, magic will happen. You'll make your goals become a reality. I am John, the Science Guy. I thank you so much for watching. Hey, give me some love. Like, support the channel. Be sure to smash that bell notification icon, the subscribe button, and of course the thumbs up button. This way, YouTube will instantly show you new videos that I release when I post them. And you know, I would love it if you would go ahead and comment below. What's going on in your life? What kind of flame do you feel has gone out, but you didn't know that it could just reignite without even having full contact? It can happen in relationships, it can happen in business, it can happen in anything. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, besides commenting, tag your friends, colleagues, and associates, and share this out with everyone you know on social media. And then what I would love you to do is make the choice to buy my team and I a savory piece of watermelon, a delicious, refreshing vanilla ice cream cone, or even a refreshing drink on this nice, hot day. And we will invest that into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, new facilities, and even new staff to give you the most jaw-dropping, motivational content just for you to empower your life to become even better than you are right now. Have yourself a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my lab real soon. Later again. Hang on, I gotta do this again because I can't do it so quickly. Wait a second, let me do that again. There wasn't enough vapor in the air. We'll take it from after we do it again.